I'm Anil Kumar, and now we'll begin to solve some trigonometric problems and especially trigonometric identities. Before getting in there, let us look into a few expressions which are going to give us more knowledge and help us to solve trigonometric identities. So here the question is, simplify the expression cos square x times 1 plus cot square x. Now let's rewrite this expression. We have cos square x times 1 plus cot square x. Now whenever you're working with these expressions, write all cotangents and tangents in form of sine and cosine. So you get cos square x times 1 plus, what is cot? Cot is cos x over sine x. Square will be cos square x over sine square x, right? So that is sine square x. So that is what is cot square x. I know some students prefer to write cot x as equals to 1 over tan x, and then they will continue and and then they do 1 over sine x over cos x, and kind of sometimes they get lost here, and then finally they do cos x over sine x, right? My advice to them is avoid, right? Don't do all this. Don't do all this, right? So this is not very good. Whenever you have cot x, straight away, if you have cot x, straight away write cos x over sine x, right? So that will save a lot of time for you and avoid mistakes. At this stage, you get into multi-layer fractions, which make things very difficult, right? So avoid this. That is my advice to you. Okay. We could write this as equal to. We will simplify the things in the bracket first. So what we have here is cos square x, and within bracket we'll take common denominator of sine square x, right? So we have sine square x, and we can write this as sine square x plus cos square x, correct? Now this is a very tricky part. Now what is sine square x plus cos square x? Sine square x plus cos square x is 1. Since sine square x plus cos square x is 1, we could write this as cos square x times 1 over sine square x. You get the idea. And then you get cos square x over sine square x, and that is indeed cot square x. You get the idea, right? So that is how you can simplify this particular expression. Well, there is an alternate way of doing this also. Let me give you that idea also. What is 1 plus cot square x, right? So if you know your trigonometric Pythagorean identities, we know 1 plus cot square x is equals to cosecant square x. Do you understand? So you could have written this as cosecant square x. In that case, our solution was this expression is equals to cos square x times cosecant square x, and then cosecant square x could be written as 1 over sine. So we get cos square x times 1 over sine square x, and that is cos over sine is cot square x. You get the idea. So we could have got cot square x in this fashion also. So always when you are working on identities, there is more than one way of solving those identities. So that means you keep your options open and try different ways. Adopt the way which you feel more comfortable with and which you understand. Okay. So at times you may not get this idea. That's fine. You can follow this pattern and get your answer. There are just 1 or 2 extra steps, but finally you do get it without any problem. So I hope that helps. So we could say that this expression can be simplified as cot square x. I hope that helps. Thank you.